Hiya. Today I'm going to show you how to make two of my favorite snacks, and like yours truly, I have modified the recipes so they're healthier and you can enjoy them without guilt. The ingredients to make the first snack is right there on the screen. It's one of those snacks that you need just like 5 ingredients to make, and it requires minimum effort to make if you're a busy person. So in a bowl, you combine the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, separately. In another bowl, your yeast, 2 teaspoons and a quarter, with 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and then add 2 measuring cups of warm water. You leave it aside for 5 minutes to activate the yeast. Mix the flour and sugar together. Here I washed my hands so you can know that I'm not contaminating the food. Then after 5 minutes, you add the yeast mixture, right, and combine properly like so. So you have this batter. After that, you add 2 tablespoons of water or 4 teaspoons of warm water, right, to your batter. You mix properly, and then after that, you cover with a cling film like so. Then you keep in a warm place for like 1 to 2 hours. There you can see the batter has risen, and then you start frying your puff. These are very lovely snacks, mini snacks that you can just eat while you're watching TV with your family or something. You can, add a dip to it, like a healthy dip, like hummus or garlic dip, to make it even healthier. You can combine in a bowl with chicken, with the other snack I'm going to show you now, chicken, plantains, fries, whatever, just like to make it a complete meal, right? Puff is one of the popular snacks eaten in West African countries. The Ghanaians call it bofrot, the Cameroonians call it puff, just like we Nigerians do, and the French call it beignet. So these are very delicious snacks, and I've used a kitchen paper towel to drain, to absorb the oil in this very snack, so that you reduce the calories even further. And that's my puff all ready to eat. So I made this for my children when they're back from school. Whenever they sit on the kitchen counter, they just, oh, mommy, thank you. So this is the second snack I'm making. I'm not showing how to make it from scratch because I'm still not yet very perfect. So these are store-bought to save time and money. But whenever I perfect it, I'm still going to show you. So this is veggiesamosa. Thank you for watching.